thing that does not transfer. Sometimes this stuff stinks. Where I'm at, it has a very peculiar odor to it, especially if you are dealing with some nastier stuff, and this is some nastier stuff. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Southern Scrap Bucket channel. Let's see if we can't get some work done tonight. The goal currently is to load as much of that scrap, which I'm not sure you can see, onto the pickup. Let's see, we got all sorts of stuff. This is gonna put some weight on the truck. It don't tangle everything up. And this is, looks like a training wheel. This is electric fence cable. All right. Make sure we get our tea. We can't do this without tea. And coffee some mornings. All right. Let's not let that get too far. Oh. So it's January 8th, 2021, and it seems like it's going to be an interesting year. I think we have all lost our minds to some degree. Maybe we'll make it. Now, if you want something relaxing and a good little side way to make money, always try scrapping. I think it'll be good for some folks. Just learn what you can do with what you have. So, let's see what we've got. What's holding us up? Ah, that piece. Throw this on there. So it'll make less of a mess later. Ooh. Probably have to break out the glove here. A lot of sharp edges. What is this? I don't know. I think that's aluminum. That's a door. It's part of a garage door. But for those, let's see if some of y'all can see. See, fencing and part of a grill. There's a microwave. Part of a lawnmower in here somewhere. Yep, John Deere lawnmower. Poor thing. Took a beating. All sorts of stuff. So, that'll be easy to throw on. And I need to get some hard stuff to throw on. That I'm pretty sure is aluminum. That'll have to wait. This will have to wait because I'll have to ask. Because it's full of something. What's that? These are putting tension on that electric fence. It's a rim that I might not be. That's part of the motor. Now, if those of you get into scrap medaling, Okay, we'll throw that on there. Get into scrap medaling. I mean, I had a thought. I'll come back to it. Oh, one thing that does not transfer well through the. I think that's a little. Sometimes this stuff stinks. where I'm at, it has a very, oh, I know what those are, peculiar odor to it sometimes, especially if you are dealing with some nastier stuff, and this is some nastier stuff. That's a one handle. I cannot take whole tires. There's a sledgehammer with a wedge in it. I'm gonna save that. That's wire. Okay. So if you've noticed, it's not, what time is it? 9:30. We got off work earlier, drove down. That's some sort of weird hammer. Yep. Get that out of the way. Oh, I think I see. That's plastic. Let's see. Alright. I hope it's not too windy coming through the mic. Oh, that's a metal. Oh, okay. This thing, I think, is a. I think this is a drawer. Sorry about the bouncing, y'all. Yeah, this is a drawer out of an old refrigerator. That's aluminum. I don't want to give that away. And I really don't want to give the drawer away. That's not good. I'm glad I looked. That would have been bad. This, I've seen this, use this in block work. Stainless. So, that's why you always look through stuff like this. You never know. That primer's not gone off, so I need to hold on to that. That's brass. Yeah, hate to get rid of the drawer, but I don't have the thing, the refrigerator for it. I don't think I can find one. Somebody will probably be screaming, "No, I needed that." It'll be alright. Go over there. In another video, I talk about things tangling up. That's one of the things, like what I was talking about. So, slide that right there into the top. Gotta check this in a minute. Let's chunk this up here. Don't want to mess that up. There's a spring. There. That is fitting. Airline fitting. Cheap shovel. Door. If I can throw something on it. bucket. Bucket that's with aluminum. So we gotta search this. So these finds like this are fine tonight, cause well, they're just fine tonight. But I don't have time. I think this was, oh, this was something good at one point. Such a shame. Let's just pull some aside. Look. That's stainless. That's stainless. So we will have a bucket of stainless and assorted junk. This is cast aluminum or zinc, I'm not sure which. Same for that because it's oxidizing funny. Mistake right there. Yeah. Let's see what we got. That's stainless. That's a piece of wire. That's a piece of wire. I hold on to all that. That stuff adds up real fast. That's cast, I think. That's steel. Now, if y'all see anything, please leave a comment. I'd love to know. Ooh, I know what this is. I'm holding on to that. I think that's like for see, that's aluminum block. That piece was for like gas. If you had a gas fireplace, that's copper tubing. That's the money right there. That may be cast. Rusty. I think that's aluminum, and there's a battery. I need to do something with that. Let's get started that way. That got ink on it. It's ink or oil or something. Yeah. So, have to make one of them buckets of trash bucket here in a second. That looks like there's motor oil in it. That's cast aluminum or zinc, so that's worth money. Oh, this was a hex tool. Allen wrench. Allen wrench, what they call. This is a piece of brass. And this is a piece of brass of some sort. That's why you check through stuff like this. That I think that's just galvanized. Pretty sure that's brass. A lot of weird fittings in this. Like this. I think this is plastic. I want to look at it some more. Stainless steel. No. I was debating on keeping that Allen wrench, but if we kept everything that we saw that we liked, we'd have way too much junk and not enough money. Brass. That's something else. I call these a Romex connector. What is that? What is that? Brass. We're near a pecan tree. That's why I got all these pecan squirrels got in the buried it in the buckets. And the reason I'm doing this, all of this is probably worth more than all of this, and this is by far heavier. So, because that's a penny. See, it always pays to look. So I found a penny. If you're watching this, let me know where you're from. I can ask you about different places. Now, I don't have it with me, but I have some big magnets, like ones you can get at a hardware store. I just don't have them with me right now. Kind of want to check and just I saw a guy use this in a video on YouTube. If I can find it later, I'll put it down in the comments or in the description. And he used this to help, or one like this, to make a wire stripper. I thought it was an interesting concept. Yep. Metal. Definitely so. Hold on to that. Oh, I don't think they want that. I don't want that to break. Yeah. There's a glass bottle. Glass bottle, glass bottle, glass bottle. So I gotta have a trash bucket. Put that off to the side. May hold on to that bucket if it'll stay on the truck.